Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a last-minute gift with things you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. Okay, to make your coconut mint or Cocomint sugar scrub, you'll need some ingredients that you'll probably find in your kitchen. You'll need sugar, you'll need coconut oil, and maybe a little food coloring. I chose blue, but feel free to choose any color you'd like. Sometimes you have guests come over last minute, or perhaps it's a holiday or a special occasion and you need to make a gift right now and you don't have time to go to the store. This is a great solution for a last minute gift idea. It's very simple to make. You simply add your sugar to the bowl and add your coconut oil. You want it, of course, at room temperature where it's a liquid. You don't want to get it hot because it may affect the sugar. So just go ahead and pour your liquefied coconut oil in there and mix that up. I know it looks like a lot of coconut oil, but it really, you'll see, it comes together nicely with the sugar. Okay, so that's all nice and mixed. And the fun part about this, I think anyways, is you can certainly, this is a lovely scrub. Of course the coconut oil, if it's a little cooler in your house, will solidify and make this more solid as it cools. I'm going to half it and put half of it into a bowl so that I can color it, and leave the other half just like it is so that I can layer this into my packaging. So let's put that aside, and we're just going to add just a couple drops of blue, and then we'll mix that in there so that we have a nice color for our sugar scrub. Now, I tried to swirl this and it didn't work out very well, but maybe you'll have better luck. I'm sure that you all have some great creative ideas for how to make different layers in your scrub. But I thought blue was nice. So of course you don't want to add so much food coloring that when they use it, it stains their skin blue or stains their skin a color. But I think this is a nice level of color. I think it's really pretty. And I can see the coconut oil is starting to solidify already in this one. And I am going to use a different spoon, of course, for my uncolored scrub. And the cool thing that you can do is in your packaging, so, gosh, I guess I'm going to put these aside for a second, and I want to show you kind of, this is one that I made with green, and I did both on the bottom and on the top, just layered in the packaging. For this demonstration, rather than doing it in the packaging, I'm just going to do it in a glass bowl so that you can see how it layers. So this time, I think I'll do the blue on the bottom. So we'll just push a little of that blue in there. And you may want to put that in the fridge to make sure that it solidifies a little bit before you add the other scrub on top. So this one we're just going to put right over the top and make layers. And of course, when you do this in your packaging, feel free to be as creative as you want, but as you can see, it's just kind of a cool last-minute gift that I don't think anybody would be sad to get. I think everybody would be happy about that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take that home for myself. So we hope you enjoy your last-minute gift idea of the Cocomint sugar scrub. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to click the link directly below and be sure to subscribe for more great videos.